This video is going to help explain what you'll be doing for the Scared of the Reds project. So this is a 3-day project, so you'll have today and then 2 more days to finish up the projects. Your project can be in any format you want. It can be a PowerPoint, Google Slides, infographic, video, screencast. I'm doing a screencast right now. Whatever you want, all you have to do is just make sure that all of these things that are listed below are in your project and that I have access somehow to your completed project, whatever it is. So you have to include these sections here in your project. No matter what kind of format you choose to do, you have to include these 4 sections in that project. So the first is the House Un-American Activities Committee. So in that section of your project, again, whatever it might be, maybe it's a slide on the House Un-American Activities Committee, whatever you want it to be, you have to explain what it was, why it was created, and what its functions were, and how were the investigations carried out, and then in what ways did the committee infringe upon citizens' rights. Then you have to add in something on the Smith Act and McCarran. So make sure that you are answering all of the questions in each of these sections. Same thing with the spies. So there are several spies that you have to research and write about in that project. So make sure that you're answering all of those questions about each of the spies. As long as you go through and make sure that all of these questions are answered, you'll have all the information that you need. You have to include 5 pictures at least and 1 video. And the video can be anything. You might find some really good resources about Joseph McCarthy, some videos there. It can be anything about these topics. And all work has to be in your own words. Please do not copy and paste for any part of this section. It all has to be in your words. The resources here, this is how you're going to start your project here. So Chapter 25, Section 3 in your textbook is an excellent resource for you. And then there are some links there that will help you with different aspects of this case. So there's some good information about the spies that you'll be looking into there. These are the different links. And the House Committee on Un-American Activities. There's some good information there that's linked to this document. Also, World Book Online is a great resource and that you can use for this project as well. No matter what you're using, you'll have to provide a works cited in MLA format. If you have done your other projects in this class, you already have the book cited in MLA format on that project, so you can just use that again. And you probably have World Book cited as well because we have used that in the past as well, so you can use that. If not, our last project had links on it for help on MLA format. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions about that, about citing things in MLA format. Here is the rubric I'll be using to assess you. The requirements are listed here, and then the possible points to the right. So this is a total of 100 points. This is a big project, and there is a lot of information that you have to have in this project. Again, before you turn it in, make sure you read over the rubric and make sure that you have each of these elements in your project. But if you follow along, like I said before, with this guide, if you're answering all these questions as you go, then this should be really easy for you to make sure that you have all of the required elements. So if you have any questions on this, please let me know. Today you'll start your research. Since this is a 3-day project, you will need 1 day to put the project together, at least in whatever format you choose. So today should be a research day, tomorrow probably a research day, and starting to put the project together. And then day 3 I would dedicate to putting that project together, checking over to make sure you have all of the required elements. There are 4 kind of subsections of this project, so I would make sure that I had sections 1 and 2 done today, maybe even start on section 3, and try and get those videos and pictures done today to have that taken care of as well. So if you need me, please let me know. If not, I will see you in live class. Good luck.